Well, Hurricane Michael rapidly intensified over the last 2 to 3 days here. Now a Category 4 storm, at least as of early update from the National Hurricane Center on Wednesday. 130-mile-per-hour winds prior to a landfall with the Florida Panhandle as we head into the day today. It looks like the forecast track takes it pretty quickly, though, through the mid-Atlantic states. The good news is that the storm path and the track on this is going to be much faster than Florence was, so that should help to limit the overall excessive rainfall. But we're going to have some significant impacts with this. So hurricane warnings have been posted in these lighter red colors, including southwestern Georgia. Tropical storm warnings extend all the way up into South Carolina and North Carolina, where, again, they dealt with Florence a few weeks ago. Storm surge is going to be a major issue. And keep in mind that 88% of all hurricane-related fatalities come by way of water, either being storm surge or flooding. So, again, make sure you pay attention to situations here close to home. We do have, of course, mandatory evacuations near the panhandle of Florida, and those flash flood watches extend all the way up into portions of the mid-Atlantic states. So there you go through Wednesday and Thursday, and then by Thursday afternoon and Friday, it looks like we get a nudge out to sea here thanks to a cold front that'll be sweeping it out. But this is going to be a pretty serious situation, as I mentioned. Heavy rain, upwards of 6 to 10 plus inches, but nowhere near the amount of rain that Florence brought the mid-Atlantic states. But we're still going to have some flooding rains in these particular areas. The ground is saturated up that way, and the Atlantic Basin is very active right now. In fact, another wave of energy with a moderate chance of tropical formation there. Leslie and Nadine still ongoing in the central Atlantic, and then Sergio will bring some heavy rain to the southern U.S. into the upcoming weekend. Snow continues to fall in the Intermountain West. We also have some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings throughout portions of the upper Midwest. And we're going to have some severe weather potential today in the Ohio Valley, but definitely a tale of two seasons today.